Let us begin with the Bucket List Manager. First, Help section where you get instructions on how to use the Bucket List Manager. In Progress section contains the list of current activities in progress from your bucket list. This year's completed activities appear here along with category and the date of achievement. Categories are used to identify and segment your activities. Same as this year, past year's activities appear here. Now let us see your actual bucket list. This is where you will add and update your bucket list activities. All you need is name, select category, status, and once completed, select date of achievement. Use status filter to refine activities. Head over to the bucket list by category to see the same activities by category. Update status and date of achievement as you progress. That's it. Pretty easy to manage your bucket list, isn't it? If you want this Notion template, then find the link in the description along with other free and premium Notion templates. Thank you.